In this video, I will show you shortcut key to convert data to picture in MS Excel. So firstly, keep your cursor here, then Control A. So all your data will be selected. Also, you can use the mouse like this, and you can select. Now press Control C. Press Alt H V, then I, or U. So you have this picture. In some keyboard you will get the I option, and in the some keyboard you will get the U. So this is the once you click on it, so all the picture setting you can apply here. So thanks for watching.